I'm Libby from the Ian Potter Library at Alfred Health. This is a guide for Monash University students to navigate the Monash University Library and find resources for their study and research. This is the first video in our series designed for Monash students. We are not a Monash campus, but we are affiliated with them and provide services to assist Monash students who are undertaking a placement at Alfred Health or who are studying with a department that is based at Alfred Health. In this video, we will take a quick look at some of the key services on the Monash University Library website. The Monash Library homepage has links to most services, so when doubt, always refer to the homepage to find what you need. Some Monash services that you may find useful include their online catalogue search, which we will discuss in the next two videos in this series, their subject guides and databases, which we will discuss in the final video in this series, classes and assignment assistance, and their Meet with a Librarian service. Meet with a Librarian is a Monash Library session which runs every day on weekdays on Zoom, and it offers drop-in help to all Monash students. We recommend using this service if you need help when using the Monash University Library. You can also get information about the opening hours and locations of all Monash Library branches here. And if you go to the opening hours page, you can click through to the hospital libraries page. This tells you the opening hours for all the hospital libraries affiliated with Monash, including our opening hours here at the Ian Potter Library. If you require IT support, you can access their IT support by going into your My Monash dashboard and clicking the IT support tile. Within here, there is a handy place to see a list of some of the software applications you may need in your studies. Click on IT Help, scroll down to Software, then click Software Catalogue. For free software, you will get links to download the application, and for paid software, you will get relevant purchase links for staff or students. Now you should be able to find key services on the Monash University Library homepage. In the remaining videos in this series, we will show you how to use some of the library's online services. There will be a link in the description to the whole playlist. Thank you for watching.